In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Visual Studio theme. Changing your theme is a simple way to make your coding environment more comfortable, whether you prefer a bright look, a dark mode for late night coding, or something that's easier on your eyes over long sessions. First, make sure Visual Studio is open on your computer and that you're looking at the main window where you normally write and edit your code. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a small settings icon. This might look like a little gear. Take a moment to find that icon because that's where we'll begin. Go ahead and click on that settings icon. When you click it, a small menu or panel will appear. This is where Visual Studio keeps some of the quick customization options, and one of those options is for themes. Next, look for the option labeled Themes and click on it. Once you select Themes, Visual Studio will show you a list of available theme choices. Depending on your version, you might see options like light, dark, or other color variations. Each theme changes the overall look of the editor, including the background color, the text color, and how menus and panels appear. Now, follow the on-screen prompts to choose and apply the theme you like. Typically, you can click on a theme name and Visual Studio will either apply it immediately or show you a preview before you confirm. If a confirmation button appears, click it to finalize your choice. Give it a second and you should see the entire interface update to match the new style. If you're not happy with your first choice, don't worry. You can simply go back to the settings icon at the bottom, click on themes again, and try a different option. Feel free to switch between a few themes until you find one that feels right for your eyes and your workflow. Remember, you can change your theme at any time, so you're not locked into a single look. As your environment, lighting, or personal preferences change, you can repeat these same steps and adjust your theme whenever you need to.